Hello and welcome to another episode of Egyptian Arabic with Islam Badawi. Today, in this episode, we will be covering colors in Egyptian Arabic. Colors in Egyptian Arabic. But if you are learning Fusha or if you are learning any other dialect, colors are almost identical in all of them. So stick around and you learn the colors. And I will be giving you also examples and sentences using the colors and using the words that we will learn today. So there will be a practice and there will be the colors. And make sure to stick until the end because at the very end of this episode, I will give you a very important tip related to colors. This tip is important. Make sure you see it before you go. Okay, are you ready? All right then, let's get started. Colors in Egyptian Arabic. The first thing we have to learn is the word color. Colors. The word color in Arabic is لون for singular, لون, and the plural is ألوان. لون, ألوان. So الدرس النهارده, the lesson today, الدرس النهارده عن الألوان. الدرس النهارده عن الألوان. And the first color we have today is the color red. And the color red in Arabic is أحمر. أحمر. اللون الأحمر. اللون الأحمر is the color red. And now we will learn some examples of things that have the color red. حاجات لونها أحمر. حاجات, things, لونها, its color, أحمر. حاجات لونها أحمر, things that have the color red or things their color is red. Okay? The first thing we have here for things that are with the color red is فراولة. فراولة. فراولة is a strawberry. فراولة. فراولة. To use this in a sentence, الفراولة لونها أحمر. الفراولة, the strawberry, لونها, its color, أحمر. لون is color, لونها is its color. الفراولة لونها أحمر. The strawberry has the color red or its color is red. The second one and the second example we have here is الطماطم. طماطم is tomato. Tomato gets to stay actually similar in so many language. So tomato is tomato. And let's make an example with this word طماطم. أنا عايز السلطة من غير طماطم. من غير is without, طماطم is tomato, عايز is I want, and سلطة is salad. So أنا عايز السلطة, I want the salad, من غير طماطم, without tomato. أنا عايز السلطة من غير طماطم. And to say the tomato color is red, we will say الطماطم لونها أحمر. الطماطم لونها أحمر. The next one we have here for the color red is تفاح. تفاح. التفاح الأحمر لذيذ. التفاح الأحمر لذيذ. لذيذ is delicious. التفاح الأحمر, the red apple. So التفاح الأحمر لذيذ means the red apple are delicious. The next color we have here is the color green. And the color green in Arabic is أخضر. أخضر. Examples of things that have the color green. حاجات لونها أخضر. Things, its color is green. حاجات لونها أخضر. The first thing we have here for things with the color green is البطيخ. البطيخ. بطيخ is watermelon. بطيخ is watermelon. If you go to Egypt and you like watermelon, try watermelon juice in Egypt. بطيخ. So البطيخ لونه أخضر. البطيخ لونه أخضر. The color of watermelon is green, or the watermelon's color is green. البطيخ لونه أخضر. And if you want to say, I like watermelon in the summer, you would say, أنا بحب البطيخ في الصيف. الصيف is the summer. أنا بحب البطيخ في الصيف. The next one we have here for the color green is the very famous Egyptian soup and the Middle Eastern soup. I'm not claiming it for Egypt. I know we're all arguing and fighting about who owns the rights to ملوخية, but I guess like we can just call it ours. So ملوخية, if you go to Egypt, ملوخية is something that I really recommend that you try. Not everybody loves it right away, but if you like it, you love it. And I can tell you that most Egyptians, if you ask them what is your top 5 foods, most of them will rank ملوخية in the top 5 things they love to eat. So how do you say I like ملوخية? أنا بحب الملوخية. أنا بحب الملوخية. And let me know in the comment section if you tried ملوخية before and if you liked it. So to say I love ملوخية, أنا بحب الملوخية. أنا بحب الملوخية. Okay? And to say the ملوخية is green, you will say الملوخية لونها أخضر. الملوخية لونها أخضر. Or الملوخية خضرة. And this change you will find in the pro tip at the end of this episode. So make sure to stick around for that. And the next object we have here with the color green that we use a lot in Egypt and we love it is نعناع. نعناع. نعناع means mint. نعناع means mint. And how do we use it a lot in Egypt? We actually mix nana with other things. Like for example, if you go to a cafe in Egypt and you say أنا عايز شاي بنعناع لو سمحت. أنا عايز شاي بنعناع لو سمحت. I want tea mixed with mint, please. أنا عايز شاي بنعناع لو سمحت. This is famous in Egypt. Another drink that is famous is lemon mint. Lemon mint. A lot of people in Egypt like to drink this in the summertime as a refreshment. So أنا بحب الليمون بالنعناع أو أنا بحب ليمون نعناع. So I love lemon mint. أو ممكن لو سمحت ليمون نعناع. ممكن لو سمحت ليمون نعناع. If you go to Egypt and you like lemon and mint, try this drink. And if you tried it, let me know what you think of it. Okay? And another example using the color, النعناع لونه أخضر. النعناع لونه أخضر. And the next color we have here is the color blue. The color blue in Arabic is أزرق. أزرق. Okay? أزرق. حاجات لونها أزرق. حاجات لونها أزرق. Things with the color blue. حاجات لونها أزرق. And the first word we have here, of course, is the Nile River. One of the things you should do if you're in Egypt and you're near the Nile is to ride a felucca, whether in Aswan or in Cairo, and have one of those felucca parties. So النيل لونه أزرق. النيل لونه أزرق. This is our sentence. النيل لونه أزرق. The color of the Nile is blue. النيل لونه أزرق. And if you rode a felucca in the Nile, let me know how it was. The next word we have here for the color blue is فراشة. 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 To make a sentence for فراشة, butterfly, we would say الفراشة لونها أزرق وجميل. الفراشة لونها أزرق وجميل. The butterfly, its color is blue and beautiful. الفراشة لونها أزرق وجميل. And the next one we have here for the color blue is بحر. بحر. بحر is sea. And if you go to Egypt, also check out the sea. And if you get the chance, check out more than one sea. Like, because we have the Red Sea on one side, and the Red Sea is really beautiful for diving, snorkeling, and doing all of that. And we have the Mediterranean Sea at the other side, and it's really beautiful. You can have some white beaches at the Mediterranean Sea, like in Marsa Matruh and الساحل الشمالي, the north coast. It's really beautiful there. If you went, let me know what you think. To say the sea color is blue, you say البحر لونه أزرق. البحر لونه أزرق. Let's make a funny sentence. Let's say the Red Sea's color is blue. البحر الأحمر لونه أزرق. البحر الأحمر لونه أزرق. Okay? Let me know in the comment section if you visited the Red Sea and how was it for you. The next color we have here is the color أصفر. أصفر. أصفر is yellow in Arabic. And there are more than one famous objects for the color yellow. One of them is the banana and the other one is lemon. And in Egypt, mango have a lot of shapes and color. So I decided to also put mango in there because I like to speak about mango or eat mango or drink mango whenever I have the chance to. So موز. موز is banana. موز is banana. So to say the color of banana is yellow, we would say الموز لونه أصفر. الموز لونه أصفر. And to say, I like to drink banana with milk, which is a famous drink in the local cafes in Egypt. أنا بحب أشرب موز باللبن. أنا بحب أشرب موز باللبن. And the next one we have is ليمون. ليمون. ليمون is lemon or lime. We don't have the two different types. We have just one. So for us, ليمون is both the lemon and the lime. Okay? ليمون. ليمون. So we used it earlier and we said أنا بحب أشرب ليمون نعناع. أنا بحب أشرب ليمون نعناع. I like to drink lemon mint. أنا بحب أشرب ليمون نعناع. And to say this lemon is yellow, الليمونة دي صفرة. الليمونة دي صفرة. And why did we say صفرة and not أصفر? This will be the tip at the end of the video. Stick around and you will learn it. And the next one we have here is المانجا. المانجا. أنا بحب المانجا. I love mango. أنا بحب المانجا. عصير المانجا, the mango juice, عصير المانجا لونه أصفر. It could be yellow, it could be orange, it could be a little bit in the middle. عصير المانجا, the mango juice, لونه, its color, أصفر. عصير المانجا لونه أصفر. If you are in Egypt, make sure to drink or eat mango. Mango in Egypt will be one of the best mangoes you will ever eat in your life. So make sure you try mango in Egypt. And if you did, let me know what you think. The next color we have here is the color white. And the color white in Arabic is أبيض. أبيض. And we use the color white to say that someone is good inside. So if we said قلبه أبيض, قلب is heart, قلبه أبيض means his heart is white. It means that he doesn't hold grudges and he's kind. So this is the color white. أبيض. أبيض. And حاجات لونها أبيض. حاجات لونها أبيض. Things with the color white. حاجات لونها أبيض. The first thing we have here for حاجات لونها أبيض is جبنة. جبنة. جبنة is a cheese. جبنة is a cheese. We took the word بطيخ. So let's say I like to eat watermelon with a cheese. أنا بحب آكل بطيخ مع الجبنة. أنا بحب آكل بطيخ مع الجبنة. أنا بحب آكل بطيخ مع الجبنة. And to say the color of the cheese is white, we will say لون الجبنة أبيض. لون الجبنة أبيض. The next one we have here for the color white is اللبن. لبن is milk. اللبن is the milk. أنا بشرب لبن الصبح. أنا بشرب لبن الصبح. I drink milk in the morning. أنا بشرب لبن الصبح. أنا بشرب, I drink لبن milk الصبح is in the morning. And remember, when we say الصبح, we don't need to say في الصبح. Like in other languages, we just say الصبح. Okay? And another thing that could be white is a duck. So to say I saw a white duck, we would say أنا شفت بطة بيضة. أنا شفت بطة بيضة. And to say this duck is white, we will say البطة دي لونها أبيض. The color of this duck is white. البطة دي لونها أبيض. This duck's color is white. البطة دي لونها أبيض. And the next one we have here is the color black, and it is Iswed. And I chose Anubis because I really love him, and I think actually reading about him might be interesting. So if you don't know a lot about Anubis and you like the Egyptian mythology, he is my favorite Egyptian mythology god, kind of. So check him out, read about him a little bit. حاجات لونها اسود. حاجات لونها اسود. Things with the color black. حاجات لونها اسود. The first thing that could be black is a cat, especially those ancient Egyptian cats. So cat is قطة. قطة. How do you say I have a cat? Its color is black. To say I have a cat and its color is black, you would say أنا عندي قطة لونها اسود. أنا عندي قطة لونها اسود. أنا عندي قطة لونها أسود. And the next one is كلب. Since we took cats, let's take كلب as well. And let's see who is a cat person and who is a dog person. I am a dog person. So أنا بحب الكلاب. Say I have a black dog, I would say أنا عندي كلب أسود. أنا عندي كلب أسود. And to ask you if you have a black cat, I would say if I'm talking to a man, أنت عندك قطة لونها أسود. Or if I'm talking to a woman, I would say أنتي عندك قطة لونها أسود. Let me know in the comment section if you are a dog person or a cat person. And the next one we have here is الغراب. I love ravens. I think they are really smart. الغراب. الغراب. And to say I saw a black raven that is very smart, I would say أنا شفت غراب أسود. أنا شفت, I saw غراب أسود, a black raven, ذكي أوي or ذكي جدا. أنا شفت غراب أسود ذكي أوي. I saw a very smart black raven. And the next color we have here is برتقاني. برتقاني. برتقاني is orange. And it's amazing how the color orange in different languages and the fruit orange are like a little bit attached to each other. Let me know if in any of the languages you know or you speak, if the word for the color orange and the fruit orange are not related to each other. I would like to know that. So برتقاني. برتقاني is orange. برتقاني is orange. So let's do حاجات لونها برتقاني. حاجات لونها برتقاني, things with the color orange. From برتقاني we go to the orange. So let's start this time from the left side. And the orange, the fruit is برتقان. برتقان. To say the orange juice is orange, I would say عصير البرتقان برتقاني. عصير البرتقان برتقاني. And the next one we have, let's go to the middle now, and we will do جزر. جزر is also orange. So to say the color of carrot is orange, we will say لون الجزر برتقاني. لون الجزر برتقاني. And to make another sentence and say I like to eat hummus with carrots, you would say أنا بحب آكل حمص بالجزر. أنا بحب آكل حمص بالجزر. And the next object that could be orange is جزمة. You could have an orange shoes. So to say she has an orange shoes, for example, I would say هي عندها جزمة برتقاني. هي عندها جزمة برتقاني. هي عندها جزمة برتقاني is she has an orange shoes. And the next color we have here is bunni. Bunni. Bunni is brown. And one of the most famous Egyptian brown color things, if you would call it brown, is the pyramid. So to make a sentence for the pyramids, we would say الأهرامات, the pyramids, الأهرامات كبيرة أوي. الأهرامات كبيرة أوي. And to say I saw the pyramids in Egypt, you would say أنا شفت الأهرامات في مصر. أنا شفت الأهرامات في مصر. If you went to Egypt and visited the pyramid, let me know how this experience was for you. And the next one we have here is أرنب. أرنب. A rabbit also can be brown. أرنب. أرنب. So to say I saw a rabbit with the color brown, I would say أنا شفت أرنب لونه بني. أنا شفت أرنب, I saw a rabbit لونه بني. أنا شفت أرنب لونه بني. And another thing that could be brown is شوكولاتة. شوكولاتة is chocolate. شوكولاتة. And to say a normal sentence for شوكولاتة, like I ate a lot of chocolate, we would say أنا كلت شوكولاتة كتير. أنا كلت شوكولاتة كتير. And to say the chocolate's color is brown, we would say الشوكولاتة لونها بني. الشوكولاتة لونها بني. And before we go to the extra tip that I have for you, I would like to ask you to please like, subscribe, and leave us a comment if you like this content, because this is a new channel. And if you can help me out and like and comment, this will help me reach more people and will help me keep creating those videos if you enjoy them. And I would like to say a special thank you for the people who wanted to buy me a coffee, the link in the show notes, and they actually supported my channel and bought me a coffee. Thank you so much. This meant a lot for me. And if you'd like to be a supporter too, the link is in the show notes. Click on it and buy me a coffee. And let's go to the final tips for this episode. The final tip for this episode. So, the colors that we have taken so far are the masculine versions of the color. But some of the colors have a feminine version. Some of the colors have a feminine version. So first, let's take the colors that stays the same. The colors that stays the same are two, and this is برتقاني, برتقاني if it's a male, and برتقاني also if it's a female. So to say something male is orange, you will use برتقاني, and to say something that is feminine also is orange, you will use also برتقاني. So to say the car is orange, you will say العربية برتقاني, العربية برتقاني. And another color that stays the same also is the color brown, bunni. So to say the car is brown, we would say العربية bunni. العربية is feminine, so العربية bunni, the car is brown. But with the other colors like أحمر, أخضر, أزرق, أصفر, أبيض, أسود, there is a feminine side. And the feminine side has a rhythm. So first of all, we delete the first letter, that is the alif, and we changed it from أحمر to حمرا. أحمر to حمرا. And you have to follow this rhythm that will be created now. أحمر, حمرا. أخضر, green, أخضر, feminine, خضرا. أخضر, خضرا. Blue, أزرق, زرقاء. أزرق, زرقاء. Yellow, أصفر, صفرا. أصفر, صفرا. White, أبيض, بيضة. أبيض, بيضة. Black, أسود, سودا. أسود, سودا. And let's take one last example before we leave. So let's say the car is yellow. To say the car is yellow, we would say العربية صفراء. العربية صفراء. Or we can do the masculine version and say العربية لونها أصفر. لون is color. So here we're saying the car's color is yellow and the word color is masculine. So العربية لونها أصفر. And this is also a way to make it work with the masculine colors. And this was it for us with the colors in Arabic. Thank you for making it this far. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more content, and leave me a comment. And I would see you in another episode of Learn Egyptian Arabic with Islam Badawi. مع السلامة. باي باي. هشوفكم قريب.